Welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we're checking out this double flame butane torch. Pretty cool looking. Yeah, so you want to use butane. They don't provide you with the gas, obviously. So on the back it tells you how to do it, how to start it. We're going to show you guys and just show you what it looks like. Again, get your own flame butane filler. Alright, so this is it. You got your plus and minus for gas for the flame on the side here. So this is what it looks like. Double flame, nice trigger. You have a lock for the trigger, so you can... Okay, so it locks in two different ways. You can press the trigger and then slide the lock and it stays, the flame will stay on, and then you let go. Or you can slide the lock and the trigger won't trigger, so it can't be used. That's a good safety feature. Overall, looked pretty nice. Pretty simple design. I mean, anybody can use this. They do give you some, you know, you got a fork and a spoon in here. Looks like tester and a base. So, alright guys, so for butane, you can pick up these on Amazon. And then you would line up the hole and you would stick it in. Now I'm doing this outside off camera because it's best to do stuff like this outside in fresh air. So I'm gonna go do that and then we'll show you what the flame looks like. Again, you just get this and you stick it on the hole and then you twist a little bit and you push up in and it fills it. All right, we are back. So you can set your flame to whatever you want. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. You see that? So double flame, we can set it much further. So if you can see it, it goes the whole way out to about like right through here. You can lower that flame and make it much smaller to about like right through here. So that is hot, be very careful. And you know, as you guys can see, very simple, you know, works great. Safety first, don't do this at home inside. I am just testing it for you guys. But yeah, it works good. Make sure you always keep it locked that way. If it's locked, you can just release the gas, but it doesn't trigger, it doesn't ignite. So yeah guys, it's nice, it works good, no issues. I had no issues filling it. You know, some liquid did come out and was trapped in between. So again, when you're filling it, put the bottle like that, and when you push up, have the bottle tipped over like this, and you're dumping it down in because the gas and liquid go down. So you fill it like this, fill it down in as it's going through. When you're done, so your hand should be pretty much kind of like this. So it should be at an angle like this. And then when you're done, you pull it away and you kind of shake it a little bit away from you. Both things. That way, if there's any liquid, it doesn't drip on you. All right, guys, overall, it's very nice. I like it.